The Aprilis Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Set helps to moisturize damaged hair and leave it soft and smooth. Formulated with ultra-nourishing argan oil, this set delivers the nutrients your hair needs to prevent frizz and repair split ends. It works effectively to stimulate hair growth and increase thickness. This set will bring you a delightful shampoo experience while enhancing the vitality and natural health of every strand. Benefits of argan oil. Argan oil benefits the hair by making it much thicker and stronger, giving you lustrous and healthy hair that everyone will admire. Its non-greasy finish makes it perfect for styling your hair while getting rid of split ends. Super cleaning power. Aprilis' unique cleaning technology absorbs and removes excess oil, sweat, and odor to completely refresh hair, great for all hair colors, leaving virtually no visible residue or powdery buildup behind. Features a time-released fragrance to deliver a light, clean scent throughout the day. Ultra-nourishing conditioner, infused with ultra-nourishing argan oil. The Aprilis Argan Oil Conditioner moisturizes damaged hair, works effectively to prevent frizz and repair split ends, leaves hair softer and more manageable for all hair types. This set moisturizes, strengthens and protects your crowning glory, treats your stressed out locks to a shower spa treatment, suitable for curly, straight, colored and all other kinds of hairstyle. Safe hair care. The Aprilis Argan Oil Shampoo and Conditioner Set combines argan oil with botanical extracts to stimulate cell renewal for healthy hair regrowth. Cruelty-free. Get more info, please click link in below description, and 50% discount offer available. This product. Please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.